Welcome back, everyone. Moving forward in this lesson, I'm going to demonstrate how to download the Red Hat OpenShift container platform. The latest version is 3.11.98 and it's for the x86-64 architecture. So once you're on this page, and of course you're logged in into your Red Hat account, scroll down, you will notice that you have options such as under Products and Services or Software tab. You can download the Linux client, the Mac OS X client, or the Windows client. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Download Now for Windows. It's going to download the zip file. And of course, you can save the zip file at the location that you desire, so you can later on unzip and execute the files. So I'm going to go ahead and save. So once I save this, it's going to download. It's about small size, 26 megs. I'm going to open it and then execute it. So I'm going to navigate to the folder where it resides. So let's go ahead, click on Show in Folder. I'm going to open up the Windows Explorer. I'm going to right click and simply extract to here. This is going to extract all the files, and once all the files are extracted, I should be able to see, of course, which files are available. Great. So we have the oc.exe file. I'm going to go ahead and execute this file. So this is a command line tool. You need to open the command.exe file. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my command prompt. So let's navigate to this particular directory and then execute oc.exe file. So what this does is it simply tells you that to make this application visible outside of the cluster, use the expose command on the service we just created to create a route. It will connect our application over the HTTP port to the public domain. So it just gives you a couple of commands that you can take a look at. You should also now see the URL of the application that can be reached at. So once I execute this, it's going to scroll up here. So we start from the beginning. So as soon as I execute oc.exe, that's the file that we unzipped. And what this does is creates the OpenShift client, which helps you develop, build, deploy, and run applications on any OpenShift or Kubernetes compatible platform. So in order to create the new application, of course, I can start to run the applications. I can log on to the server and then run a new app and so forth. So in this lesson, simply wanted to demonstrate how to download the latest version of OpenShift and then how to install and run from the command prompt. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, post in the discussion area. With this, let's move to the next lesson.